Okay, so the hint is that you can consider this length of dipole to be 2L, which is 2L, to be almost like equivalent to dr. Okay, तो आपका जो डेल्टा E आएगा, डेल्टा E in this case will be given by, in terms of magnitude only I am saying, I already know it is decreasing, it will be 2k lambda upon r square times delta, and that delta r is nothing but your 2L. Delta r is nothing but your 2L. ठीक है? Now if you wish to find out net force on it, तो जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है माइनस क्यू, वो फोर्स इधर एक्सपीरियंस करेगा कितना, क्यू, और जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है वो कितना फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगा, क्यू ई प्लस डेल्टा ई. इज दैट क्लियर? तो जो टोटल फोर्स लगेगा डेल्टा एफ ऑन दिस सिस्टम, that will be given by q times delta E. Okay. So what is delta E? 2k lambda upon r square. Delta r is nothing but your 2L. So this becomes 2k lambda upon r square q into delta r becomes 2L, which can be written as 2k lambda p. Q into 2L is nothing but p upon r square.
minus P dot E.
Yes, very good. So U is given by minus P dot E. ठीक है ना? What is P? P is a dipole moment. What is E? Electric field of the external electric field, right? Now, अब यहाँ पे आपके पास infinite long wire था. इस infinite long wire से d distance पे या r distance पे एक point पे अगर electric field निकालनी है, so that electric field will be given by 2k lambda by r. Is it clear? 2k lambda by r. And we know the direction also. This is, the direction is outward. So this is your electric field. Is that clear? Now, this electric field will be almost uniform for a very small elemental distance or variation. Okay. So if I take a dipole which is kept here, let us say, so my dipole is a very small dipole with minus q and plus q charge on it, and its dipole moment is p, which is given by p is equal to q into 2l. Okay, so this all that thing is we already know. Now when this dipole is also aligned in the direction of force, okay, so dipole moment is parallel to the force. Okay, now what will be the potential energy of the system in such a case? So the potential energy U will be given by what? PE with a minus sign, because what is angle theta? 0, cos 0 is 1. So PE हो गया. So you will write this as potential energy as minus of 2k lambda P by R. Okay. Now if you wish to find out what is the force experienced by it, you have to differentiate this. If you remember this formula, force is given by minus du by di. When you displace this dipole by a very small distance dr, okay, अगर आप इस dp को थोड़ा सा इस p को dipole को अब थोड़ा सा भी डिस्प्लेस करेंगे तो potential energy of the system will change, and that rate of change of that potential energy will be your force. Is that clear? तो अब इसको आप डिफरेंशिएट करिए, तो माइनस एंड माइनस साइन विल गो, you are left with 2k lambda p d by dr of 1 by r. Is it clear? Which is equal to 2k lambda p minus 1 by r square. Now what does this minus sign indicate? It indicates that if you move radially away by a distance dr, your potential energy is decreasing. Therefore, your force is in the upward direction. So if you move radially outward, force will be acting radially upward. Is that clear? This is another approach. And mostly in the problems involving dipole, electric dipole, you have to consider in terms of potential energy. That will make your life very easy. Okay, now take this down and then I'll explain further. Slightly more difficult problems we will do. डायपोल के लिए हमने जब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैलकुलेट की थी, इफ यू रिमेंबर, यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पोटेंशियल एंड पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट, तो हमने ई आर एंड ई थीटा का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया था. आई होप यू रिमेंबर दैट थिंग. वी हैव टू मेक यूज ऑफ इट इन सॉल्विंग सच प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, तो जस्ट ब्रश अप. अब देखिए इधर पे ध्यान से. फर्स्ट सिचुएशन, राइट, केस 1. You have one dipole here, minus q1 plus q1, राइट, और इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस कुछ दे रखा है 2l1. इज इट क्लियर? तो इसका मूवमेंट कितना हो जाएगा? p1 विल बी गिवन बाय 2 q1 l1. Okay, and this is a very tiny dipole. एक्चुअली बहुत छोटा है, इट्स वेरी स्मॉल. ओके, तो मैं उसका मैग्नीफाइड व्यू दिखा रहा हूँ आपको. इज दैट क्लियर? अब इसके सेंटर से कुछ आर डिस्टेंस पे एक डाइपोल रखा हुआ है. ओके, इसके सेंटर से आर डिस्टेंस पे एक डाइपोल रखा हुआ है. अब वो जो डाइपोल है वो पैरेलल है, उसके एक्सिस पे रखा हुआ है. ठीक है, इट इज along the same line. तो q1 माइनस q2 प्लस q2, और इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस क्या है? 2l2 है. तो इसका डाइपोल मोमेंट p2 कितना हो जाएगा? 2q2 l2. Is that clear? तो हमको p1 and p2 is given and this dipole is also like very small. And they are along the same line. So this is the situation that I am talking about. This is again a very small dipole and this is also a very small dipole. ठीक है ना। अब इसके बीच में जो इंटरेक्शन एनर्जी होगी वो आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है। इज दैट क्लियर? So what you have to do is you have to find the electric field due to one dipole at a distance r. तो मैं P1 का r डिस्टेंस पे एक्सियल पॉइंट पे पहले क्या निकालूंगा? आई विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द व्हाट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का एक्सप्रेशन क्या था? डू यू रिमेंबर दैट ऑन द एक्सिस?
2p by r cube 2kp
lambda 2kp by r cube
2kp by r क्यूब, ठीक है ना, एक्सिस के ऊपर, ऑन द एक्सिस, राइट। तो ये E है, दिस इज E बिकॉज ऑफ द फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ डाइपोल। इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर इसकी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितनी होगी? ऑफ द व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द सेकंड डाइपोल बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स इंटरेक्शन विद द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू फर्स्ट डाइपोल? कितनी होगी? माइनस, आप देख सकते हो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन एंड डाइपोल मोमेंट का डायरेक्शन दोनों पैरेलल है, तो एंगल कॉस थीटा कितना हो जाएगा? 0। कॉस थीटा इज 1, तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? माइनस P2 E1। एम आई करेक्ट? So your U2 potential energy of the system, actually I am saying this is U2, but actually this is U12, this is the interaction energy। 1 and 2 dipoles का आपस में interaction नहीं है, right? The same expression could have been obtained by doing it in the reverse fashion, finding the electric field due to P2 where P1 is kept। तो उस केस में ये हो जाता है माइनस P1 E2, and when you substitute the values of E1 and E2 you will get the same expression। so let's see what that expression is। तो ये कितना हो गया? माइनस P2, what is E1? 2k P1 by R cube, or you can call it as minus 2k P1 P2 upon R cube। Now if you wish to find out the force that is acting on it, okay, force due to the electric field of first dipole on the second, so you are trying to find out force on the second dipole due to the first, so what you need to do is you need to just differentiate it, du by dr। okay, so this minus minus goes, so minus 2k P1 P2 d by dr of 1 by r cube, what will that be? Minus 3 by r to the power 4, so this will become minus 6 k P1 P2 6k P1 P2 upon r to the power 4। Minus sign indicates that it will have a force towards the leftward direction। Is that clear? So you need not consider this minus sign to represent the magnitude। So because this is the next situation where you have to find out the force of interaction or maybe torque। In the earlier case there was no torque because line of action of force was along the axis, so torque 0 आएगा, but in this case now you have to think in terms of torque as well as the force। okay, I hope you understand what the situation is। ठीक है, ये एक डायपोल है, एक डायपोल ऐसे रखा हुआ है एट राइट एंगल्स,